The magnetic whiteboard eraser includes cleaning solution and 2 pieces magnets. The microfiber cloth will easily remove all dry inks, and the magnets inside enables eraser adhere to any magnetic boards. The solution is alcohol ammonia-free. This non-toxic, water-based whiteboard cleaner is the perfect natural cleaning solution for your whiteboard. This eraser has magnetic feature and is easy to adhere to any magnetic boards, which helps save space. It works well with all popular brands' whiteboard, cleaning on all painted steel, porcelain, glass, and other dry eraser boards.